the next sheet we'll do is for the handle. So hit the iPro tab, new, metric, and SI millimeter.dwg, create. Again, I'm going to set my sheet up as an A3, click OK, and my base view will be the handle assembly. Now, my base view for that I'm going to have as a 3D, and I'll just push that over to the side for now. I'm going to add another view, which will be the handle assembly, but I'm going to use that top view and then create a projected view click create. That will give me the views that I want. Now I'm going to up my scale. Now I want this one to be shaded with hidden detail gone. Turn the light on, and that's going to be handle 3D view in capitals. Scale 1:2, and I'll edit that to remove the scale text. And click OK. Pull it down there. Our base view there, I want hidden lines shown. View label on. That's going to be called my top view. Sorry, front view. Scale 1:2, and remove that scale text. And that will automatically scale up the projected view as well. I'm also going to add a view label, and that will be side view. And again, remove the scale text. And click OK. We'll also add, while we're in there, a parts list for the handle assembly. Now, what happened there is it's added in all of those frames, which is too much information for what we want. So we'll right click and delete that one, and we'll add a parts list for the handle IPT. And that gives us much more reduced information where we can go in and edit our description. So we're going to change part number to just handle, and the description will be for 30 by 5 FMS for flat mild steel, and apply, and click OK. Alright, now we can go in and add some dimensions. Pull those view labels down. It's always important to mark our hole centers, and in the front view as well. And we can go in and put some basic dimensions in there. I'm just going to move that over to the right a little. Right click, general dimension, from the top edge to the bottom. Now you can see I haven't gone in and changed managed my styles editor because my dimension lines are there. It's a good idea to do that now. You can do it at the end, it doesn't really matter. Styles editor. Default millimeter ANSI. I want to drop my precision back to 0 and my decimal degrees back to 0 also. Alternate units, not worried. Display, not worried. Text, I want to change those to be parallel, 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 all above, parallel, horizontal, and so on. Once you've done that, save, done, and you can see it modifies it for us. Okay, the rest of the dimensions are as follows. We can dimension those angles. We'll dimension this line and right click so that we can get, right click general dimension. If we click on that line and only drag it out to that first stop, it will align that for us. Right click, general dimension, the rest of our angles. We can mark this length. Right click, general dimension. And this gap. Right click, general dimension. All the dimensions we need on that front view. Right click, general dimension. We want to use our hole tool to mark this hole. That's the advantage of using a hole tool rather than extrude. Right click, general dimension. And that should be it, apart from a label. Angle plan. We'll increase the size of that text. And we can just arrange those view labels so it looks nice and tidy. If you wanted to, you could increase the size of those. Like so. And we'll save that one. Handle.twg. And yes to all.